my video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam that is related to the site Juxegs.live. Some people see these pop-ups by Juxegs.live and obviously these pop-ups are faulty and very deceptive. They claim to be related to the well-known security program, but definitely this is not true. Such pop-ups are fake and very deceptive, and you should not tolerate or trust them. What you should do is leave this page immediately. We also recommend that you carefully examine your computer with the help of reliable antivirus program in order to detect and eliminate other possibly hidden infections. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and after it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all sorts of other threats which could possibly still be concealed on your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.